welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Davy if you're new here. So let's get right into the video. So as you guys can see by the title, we are going to do a SHEIN haul. So I am so excited. So a little context, I am going on vacation and I ordered a few things for that trip. That's what we'll be unboxing now. So I'm so excited. I have other SHEIN things coming on the way. Either going to insert it in the video or it will just be on its own. So we will just see how it goes. So let's get right into the video. So here is the package. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I see already, Hello Kitty pajama pants, because I couldn't, if you guys saw in my previous vlog, I couldn't for the life of me find Hello Kitty bottoms. So I got two pairs of them, one for me and one for my mom, for we can match. So excited for that PJ party. Guys, it is so pretty. Like, so I ordered both of them in the XL because I did see online that some people were complaining about how when they ordered their size it was too small, so like they had to return it to get their actual size. Oh, I just can't wait to wear this around in the hotel room. Okay, so the next thing I got is this blue spa headband, and I wanted one of these for a long time. I thought I was someone who wasn't easily influenced, but I don't know why. I think it has to do with TikTok. Every time I scroll on there, whether it's someone promoting something or just like someone just doing a video, I'm like, oh my gosh, that would look so cute. The material is perfect. Like, it doesn't look cheap at all. So this is like perfect for me. And I also got it in a pink color. Okay, so this is it in a pink color. So I didn't want two colors because I feel like I would have gotten bored with the blue one, or if I had the pink one only. I just feel like whatever color I ended up with, I would have gotten bored with it. So I was like, you know what, let me just get two. This is something that I will always be using in my day-to-day life and routines. Okay, so the next item, I got this for my mom, and it's a shirt. I originally ordered a shirt for her. Apparently they said it arrived, it delivered, but I didn't see it. So you know what, I just went ahead and ordered another shirt for her. And this one says, basically, let me read it. It says, faith in God changes everything. And this is how it looks. I also ordered two hair accessories. The first thing is, it's something where like if you do like a ponytail in your hair, you can literally just, I don't know if it's a scrunchie, if you call it a scrunchie. I'm gonna insert the picture of how it would look like in your hair. This is so pretty. So you can just do your ponytail and then you just put this through your ponytail, and it matches the Betty Boop shirt that I ordered off of SHEIN. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Okay, so the next thing, these are headbands. The reason why I mostly got this, I'm gonna show you guys why. So it comes with like this black one, and then it comes with the red one, and then this is actually why I bought it for. But then I saw these, I was like, this is a perfect set that when I'm on the trip, if I'm gonna do like some sort of style with my hair. I don't know if you guys remembered that cherry shirt that I had. This would match with it. I love these. So next, I got two keychains, and I'm trying to keep the theme with Universal Studios. So I got this like SpongeBob one. Gosh, it's so cute. And I'm just gonna like put this on my purse. Oh my gosh, that is so cute, you guys. Like, I couldn't help myself, so I got the Betty Boop. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Like, what do you mean? And you have like a cherry, so that's definitely gonna match most of my outfits. Oh, she is so beautiful. I'm just obsessed with these two keychains. I kind of want to bedazzle my bag. So the next thing, I got two pink socks. So I did want matching socks with me and my mom on the PJ party that we're doing. So it would be so cute with our little PJs and the pants that you guys saw. Let's open it up to see how they look like. Guys, I'm so excited. So this is how they are. I love that they're a good, nice size. So next, I got these red nails. So this one says false nail, do it yourself, natural, delicate, and comfortable. So this is how they look like. I don't know why, but somehow I don't know if it was on accident, but most of my outfits that I have for this trip, somehow they have red in them. So I was like, you know what, let me match my nose with my outfit. That's how they look like. I'm gonna put the picture on here so you guys can see how they're supposed to look like. And then the last thing, I got this like insulated bag. And the reason why I got an insulated bag is because I'm bringing cupcakes along. Yeah, you could be like, girl, why are you not just gonna order the cupcakes when you're there? I don't know, I just feel like I don't want to have to either Uber myself to a Walmart or a Publix, and then also I don't really like delivery food services, like where people are delivering my food. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and order the cupcakes and then just bring them along with me. And it's not like I'm going by airplane, I am going by train. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It is a really good size. They did have other colors, but I like the red one. I saw people using it for like their picnics. I bought it for the trip, but I can definitely use it in the future. And it just folds up. That's perfect. Okay guys, so that's the end of my little haul. I don't think I will be ordering any SHEIN items for the meantime. I think I've got everything that I need for my trip. I'm so excited, you guys, that I'm going to Universal Studios. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys like videos like this, like hauls, please leave a comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Side note, if you guys want to keep up with me and if you guys want to see more of like my trip and the details of my trip, I will be posting more on my YouTube, definitely, so subscribe. And I'll also be posting on my TikTok. I don't know about my Instagram, but I will try. So all the details of my trip, and if you want to also keep up with me in real time, you can follow me on my TikTok. I have all my social medias, all the links down below for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.